Well, good morning. Actually, good evening. It's coming up on 10, 9:49. So, coming up on 10. Uh, Today is 5/29/24. Getting real close to the end of the month. Uh, yeah. And I almost forgot to take and do this today. And I decided to give it a try using my ASCO, B50X here, and see if I could get a better quality on this with this one using the camera instead of the camera for the computer. So I'm going to see if I can get up to 4K, which this camera here can do. So we're going to see if this one will actually render it up. If it can, yay, great. That's part of one of the reasons I wanted to get this one and try, because that little Chromebook doesn't. It barely gets it to HD, so yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, called through, got to talk to one lady about getting an extension for 1 week. I was supposed to try to talk to another lady about getting it extended 3 weeks, but she wasn't there and didn't call me back. So we'll see if I get a phone call tomorrow morning. And I'm going to try to go back to bed after this and actually sleep and try to be awake in the morning and get a full day in. So I'm not actually tired wanting to sleep while I'm trying to get things done, because it's the end of my day. So let's see if I can swap this around and make it, oh yeah, my morning actually being in the morning. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I've got, what was it, 85? Yeah, I think it was 85 subscribers now. Let me double check. See if I added one. Last time I stated how many I had, it had, oh yeah, upped right after after I checked it and before I did the video, and then I went and did the video and I had an extra one already. But anyway, I'm sitting at 85 today, so yay. I hope everybody's doing good. Yeah, there was a couple of folks talking about SRRVs. That's the one I'm planning on getting. I have no problem putting 10,000 in the bank. I'll be okay with that. And yeah, be able to get the. I think you only have, I think you only have like an annual renewal on that or something. I need to find out a little bit more. I'm trying to get some papers with one of the visa consultants and try to get that going so that when I get there I can hit the road or hit the ground running and get on the SRRV thing instead of doing the every 2 month visa renewal. Sorry, thirsty. And yeah, the having to go into get a renewal every 2 months doesn't seem very fun to me. I'd rather have something that was You know, 6 months is, yeah, doable, but apparently they've done away with the 6 month tourist visa. I don't know why they would do that, but hey, not my department to try to figure it out. All I really want to do is get over there and start fishing. I'm definitely ready to get over there and start fishing. Anyway, yeah, I went and had moved a bunch of the metal out to the street corner. Was gonna put it out there and have the guy come by to get my lawnmower, take it with him, just give it to him, scrap metal. So I'd set it to the side, and apparently he didn't get over to get it, and somebody else decided, hey, curb. And since it's on the street, it is out there and it's presumed to be, yeah, garbage and trash. So they drove up and got it, loaded it, and went down the road. Like, okay, yeah. Oh well, it's gone. I still got a little bit more I was gonna throw on it on that pile, but oh well. I guess I can start another pile. Yeah, we'll see. Moving stuff. Yay. And I'll have more of that tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a pretty long day. I'm actually going to try to be out there for a good 6, maybe more hours. Don't want to be out there too long. I think it's supposed to actually rain tomorrow afternoon. I'm not sure. But I know I need it to not rain tonight, but I think it's gonna, so trying to mow tomorrow is gonna be a pain in the butt. So probably try to tear apart the chicken coop and get it moved out there. Yay. That and get the rest of the iron up there, and you know, there's stuff to go. So that's good. And I think I might even try to get the dirt into the low spot in front of my gate. I've got some potting soil in a bunch of different pots, and I'm going to get rid of the pots. Don't want to just throw the dirt away, because, well, it's good for growing stuff, and if nothing else, it'll fill that hole and let some grass grow. So, yay. It is what it is. Yeah, trying to take and keep up with what all needs to be done and when it needs to be done. Headaches. Anyway, definitely going to try and get the mowing done if it's dry enough, but I don't think it's going to be dry enough. We'll see. But that's okay. If I can't mow, there is something else to do. There's always seems to be something else to do. And they still haven't got back with me from Chewy about this computer. Oh well, somebody will figure it out eventually and hopefully get back in touch with me. Yeah. You think they would have tried to respond to an email by now, but hey, it's at that point. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should have blowed them up every day instead of just a couple, the first week. For the first week. But 4 of them haven't been responded to. Would 10? I don't know. Why waste time? We'll see. Anyway, hopefully going through the credit card will get their attention and make them decide to do something. We'll see. Anyway, I'm tired. It's been a fairly bit of a long day, even with my nap. So I'm going to try to go to sleep now. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, wherever, whatever time it is, or whatever part of the day it is. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. I guess I don't know. It's your choice. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.